Lezi indaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma komkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje.
We are going to go and try and doorstop him as he arrives. Ambassador Rasool, how are you feeling being back in the country?
Lawa obe yinxusa lakuleli kwelasemelika uIbrahim Rasool uhlangane nongqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamula ezohlinzeka ngombiko ozodluliselwa kumengameli wezwe.
Today we are launching a campaign, even with those announcements, to look for 5 million people and screen them for TB and put them on treatment.
Iphini likaMengameli wezwe uPaul Mashatile nophinde abe ngusihlalo weSouth African National AIDS Council kanye nongqongqoshe wezempilo uDkt Aaron Motsoaledi bahola umcimbi wosuku lokuqwashisa ngesifo sofuba egama lakhe ePortshepstone KwaZulu-Natal.
Your evidence says that Kelly and Jocelyn climbed into the car at the back.
Reasons for the discrepancies.
Abameli babasolwa baqhubekile nokuhloma ngembuzo ufakazi wombuso uLaurentia Lombard ecaleni lokunyamalala kwentombazanyana eyayineminyaka eyisithupha ngesikhathi sokunyamalala kwayo uJoshlyn Smith.
2 and still pushing on now. Can South Africa finish it off? Move again! Gets his first for South Africa!
Kunembiko ethi iBafana yenqatshelwe ukuyilolonga enkundleni okuzodlalelwa kuyo kusasa uma itholana phezulu neBenin emidlalweni wokuhlungela indebe yomhlaba ngehora lesithupha kusasa. Mbokeli sikubingelele sikamkele indaba zakusihle igama lami noXoli Mamtshali wakwamwali ihlabanga lelimhlophe qwa. Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Ihhovisi lomnyango wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba liqinisekisile namhlanje ukuthi ungqongqoshe uRonald Lamula ube nomhlangano nobe yinxusa laseNingizimu Afrika eMelika uIbrahim Rasool oqoshiwe esikhundleni uhulumeni waseMelika. Umbiko uzokwedluliselwa ke phambi kukaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa okunguye ozobeke esewucubungulisisa. Estatimendeni esifushane umnyango uthe akukho kwamanje zokuphawula ngodaba lwenxusa.
uIbrahim Rasool ubuyele ekhaya isimo sesimuncu phakathi kwakhe nohulumeni waseMelika osumhlonze njengongamukelekile kuleli yazwe emva kwezinsolo zokuthi ugxeke uMengameli uTrump ngokuthi kuzofanele aguqule indlela laseMelika elenza ngayo udabeni lokuvuna idlanzana labamhlophe bakuleli abangagculisekile. Uchaze ngeziwombe zakamuva zokufadabala kubudlelwane phakathi kwelaseMelika nohulumeni wakuleli.
We have tried to engage. We have been met with executive orders that cut our aid, cut PEPFAR, and now we sit with the idea that millions could be reinfected with HIV and AIDS.
Abahlaziyi baqagula ukuthi ukulungiswa kubudlelwane phakathi kwamazwe omabili ngeke kube lula. Okunye abathi kuzoba umqansa udaba lwenxusa elisha kubonakala kuzofanele ligculise uhulumeni kaTrump.
You're dealing with an administration that is not prepared to listen. They are not prepared to meet with our elected government. Instead, they meet with conservative right-wing elements.
Without asking for favors, negotiate trade on fair and equitable terms with the United States. Trade for the sake of trade and mutual benefit. So that's another area of expertise and leadership that is going to be needed.
Usihlalo wesigungu esiphezulu seDA uHelen Zille usephumele obala wahlonze wake waba umholi weqembu uTony Leon njengokufanele ukujutshelwa kulesi ikhundla senxusa eMelika. Isithangame esididiyela amaqembu eGNU kulindeleke ukuthi sibhunge ngalolu daba kusasa ngoLwesibili.
Kusenjalo iNingizimu Afrika idinga ukuphemba kabusha ubudlelwane bayo neMelika. Lokhu kushiwo yilungu lomkhandlu wesikhungo sakuleli esibhekele indaba zamazwe omhlaba.
Firstly, we just need to realize that more of the same won't help us. This is time for a reset in terms of how we conduct diplomacy and international relations. We've got to dig deep in terms of the resources from a human and intellectual point of view that we have as a country. Really look at ways of de-escalating the situation. The relationship between South Africa and the United States. It's a very strategic one, and dare I say a very significant one in terms of its trade and investment implications. So it does need nursing, it does need careful and well-considered management. We need more cool heads, we need to be calm, we need to be strategic, and we need to know what the national interest is.
Nilgamengameli uPaul Mashatile ongusihlalo we-South African National AIDS Council uthi uhulumeni wenza imizamo yokunqoba isifo sofuba ngokwethula umkhankaso we-End TB ozolwisana nalesi sifo. Lo mkhankaso okuhloswe ngawo ukuhlola abantu abayigidi 5 ekupheleni kukaNdasa wonyaka ozayo.
Ningizimu Afrika ibalwa namazwe angama-30 enza-amaphesenti angama-87 nomthwalo wesifo sofuba emhlabeni jikelele. Ungqongqoshe wezempilo uDkt Aaron Motsoaledi uthi sekube nenqubekela phambili kulelizwe ekwehliseni isibalo sabantu abanaleli gciwane.
Launching a campaign, even with those announcements, to look for 5 million people and screen them for TB and put them on treatment. So we are marching on. We're not sitting in self-pity and crying because we believe this crisis should not go to waste. It's a wake-up call to say, please stand up on your own.
Mengameli uPaul Mashatile uthi abantu abayizinkulungwane ezingama-270 kwathola ukuthi banesifo sofuba ngo-2023 kwathi abayizinkulungwane ezingama-56 balahlekelwa impilo yabo okusho ukuthi usuku nosuku lesifo sidlula nabantu abayi-153.
TB knows no boundaries. It affects people across all communities. But the burden falls most heavily on the poor and the vulnerable.
Bazoqinisa imizamo yokwehlisa isibalo sabantu abahaqwe isifo sofuba ngokwethula izinhlelo ezintsha.
Threat of paper funding ending, this will disrupt some of our critical TB programs, especially our research efforts. This underscores the urgent need for contingency planning.
Umkhankaso ohlose ngawo uqwashisa abantu ngokubagqugquzela ngezinyathelo zokuzivikela kusenesikhathi.
Ufakazi wombuso oqavile ecaleni lika Jocelyn Smith uLaurentia Lombard uthi yena nesoka lakhe uAyanda Letoni bashaywa futhi bahlukunyezwa ngesikhathi bevalelwe kwenye indlu eLanggebaan ngoNdasa wanyakenye. Phambilini uLombard watshela inkantolo ukuthi uKelly Smith uyena akasho ngowakhe ukuthi usedayise uJocelyn Smith kwesinye isangoma ngemali eyinkulungwane 2.
So this discussion would have also taken place.
Ngethuba iphekwa isophulwa ngemibuzo ligqwetha lika Van Ryn, uLombard ubuzwe ngendlela awemka ngayo neqabane lakhe eSaldanha Bay emva kokulahleka kukaJocelyn. Ubange ngelithi abahlali babefuna iqabane lakhe isidudu. Ukwakhumbule ngethuba yena uAyanda Letoni nabantwana bakhe ababini basiwa kwindlu yokhuseleko eLanggebaan.
Into the ander mense kom wat vir die polisie werk. Other people came that work for the police. Want toe vra toe opgesoek na Jocelyn. And they were looking or searching for Jocelyn. En daar was nog ander mense, was klomp mense wat daar na toe gekom het. And there were other people as well. There was a lot of people that came there as well. En hulle was geslaan daar by huis. And they assaulted or they beat us up there at their house. En hulle het is geworry van my kinders wat daar gewees het. They also did not worry about my children that were there.
Igqwetha lika-Apolis liqukumbele ngelithi akaphosisi uza ngecala uLombard xa esithi lowo ammeleyo unento yokwenza nelityala.
Your evidence, which involves Mr. Apollos, that he was part of or agreed to be part of a plan to sell Jocelyn is not true.
That is waar. It is true.
Ukuxinwa ngemibuzo kukaLombard kuyaqhuba ngomso. Kwindaba ze-SABC ndingusiphiwe wobasi eSaldanha Bay.
Sihlehliselwe uLwesithathu isicelo seBail sikaLowabe elilunga lebhodi lakwa-SAA uYakhe Khwinana malungana necala abhekene nalo lokufuna imali yokugwazelwa. Lokhu kwenziwe ukuze umbuso uphothule umniningwane ebucayi kuleli cala. uKhwinana uvele kafushane kokuqala nqa enkantolo yeMantshi eseMonti namhlanje ntambama ngamacala okufuna ukugwazelwa emva kokuboshwa kwakhe ngesonto ledlule eGoli. Ngesikhathi evele enkantolo ummeli womsolwa utshele inkantolo ukuthi uKhwinana uyewawa engaphakathi eDoksini nokuthi amaphoyisa amphatha ngendlela enesihluku ngesikhathi embopha futhi aqhubeka nokumvalela ekubene sibone isimo sakhe. Nathi ke lokho okwenziwa ngamaphoyisa akuhambisani nobulungiswa.
the investigating officer was provided of the previous conviction, of pen cases for my client, if there are any. He was, in fact, one pen case. And the issue of arrest as well. If the state probably has gone with the place of abode of my client, Your Worship. My client is the one who called the police to his place, to her place. She was arrested at her place, which they know, Your Worship. And now, Your Worship, I am a little bit disturbed because my client says she had even collapsed, Your Worship, in the cells. She can't breathe properly there.
Mbukeli okwamanje sathi qu eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT
system yangaphakathi ihlukile neyangaphandle. It's not a nice thing to be segregated ovalelwe for 24 hours.
Ikomiti lezamajele ePhalamende lithi akukho kuphambene nomthetho ngohlelo olusha lokudla okuzohlinzekwa iziboshwa emajele emva kokuthi ke labo abadonsi igwebo bakhale kakhulu ngokudla abanikwa khona. Siphinde sikubingelele sikwamukele mbukeli mongabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi lawo obeyinxusa lakuleli kwelasemelika uIbrahim Rasool uhlangane nongqongqoshe wezobudlelwane namazwe omhlaba uRonald Lamula ezohlinzeka ngombiko ozodluliselwa kumengameli wezwe. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus ungena kuze uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ke uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. Amaqembu ezombusazwe ayi192 anikezwe usuku lwanamhlanje ukuba afake izethulo zawo ekutheni yingani kungafanele kwesulwe ukubhalisa kwawo ukhomishana ebhekele ukhetho. Esikhathini esingangesonto iIEC ikhiphe isaziso sokuhoxisa kokubhaliswa kwamaqembu ezombusazwe okubalwa kuwona SACP. Nokho iSACP siyiphendulele yathi isifakile isethulo sayo eyinsuku ezimbalwa nje emva kokuthola isaziso esivela kuyo ikhomishana. Ikhomishana ithe amaqembu angenanhloso yokungenela ukhetho oluzayo asesuliwe ekubhaliseni. Njengamanje angaphezulu kwamakhulu ayisithupha amaqembu ezombusazwe kuleli kanti angamakhulu 323 abhalisile sile kuzwelonke bese kuthi ke angamakhulu 226 aseyifundazweni noma komasipala. Inyunyana yezisebenzi iNUMSA ithi izoqhubeka nokulwela imiholo engcono kanye nesimo esingcono sokusebenzela amalungu ayo. Le nyunyana iqale umhlangano wayo weyinsuku ezintathu eSandton namhlanje.
iNUMSA ithi izisebenza kumele zijezele izinqumo zabaphathi ezingaphusile. Unobhala jikelele weNUMSA Ivan Jim uthi ukwenyuswa kwentengo yempahla ethengwayo iVAT yikona ukukhathaza izisebenzi njengamanje.
The fact that CPI is at 3% and traditionally the main sectors that are negotiating are sectors where we always secure 3-year agreements, so we're not going to be swayed by any idea that we can't negotiate and improve workers' wages and benefits because we are facing a state of an economy that is challenged for obvious reason.
Ungqongqoshe wezohwebo nezimboni uPakstow ubekhuluma nezisebenzi ethi akabi khona isivumelwano phakathi kwabo neArcelorMittal.
We have met with the sector in the Executive Oversight Committee where both labor and the companies were represented and had a discussion about what direction we should take. The collective agreement was that the industry demands and requests that government provides clarity in terms of our own policy direction with regards to steel on the basis of a number of questions they've wanted us to engage.
Esika eljikayo ngesivumelwano eAgoa ungqongqoshe uthi izingxoxo neUnited States ziyaqhubeka.
Ikomiti lezamajele ePhalamende lithi akukho kuphambene nomthetho ngohlelo olusha lokudla okuzohlinzekwa iziboshwa emajele. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuthi laba abadonsa igwebo emajele bekhale kakhulu ngokudla abanikwa khona.
Ilungu lekomiti lezamajele ePhalamende lithi iziboshwa ayingakhali ngokuthi kuncishiswa inyama ifuqwa ngobhontshisi na ubhontshisi ukudla futhi unomsoco.
Nakhona kushiwa ukuthi amabhontshisi azawudliwa Monday until Sunday. Kusho ukuthi ikhona ilanga elizongena kuzophekwa amabhontshisi.
Zilukuthola uvolwazi iboshwa ngaphakathi endlini emnyama. Ikhala ziyayithulisa ngalezi inhlelo ezintsha zokudla ejele.
Bese kubilo bathi ubhontshisi kodwa mase kuthiwa lento uyifaka emlomeni uyabona impela ukuthi hayi noma kona kuthiwa umuntu wamosha ngalendlela phela ukuthi wamosha ngeke sikuphike noma sikubalekele lokho but akukho emthethweni ukuthi singahlukumezeka ngalendlela.
Iboshwa zala eNingizimu Afrika ziyachanasa kwamanye amajele iboshwa zidla kanye ngosuku.
Inmates, they receive 1 meal per day. In some instances, other correctional centers present that site, families have to purchase food so that they can make sure that their family member who are incarcerated have the access to eat.
Sekukwaba nezikhali ezivele ebantwini abadla izithukuthuku zabo bekhala ngokuthi iboshwa iphila kamnandi futhi nala ihleli khona ithokomele ngathi isehotela kodwa labantu abadonsa igwebo bathi abasho njalo basengemithiyo akudlalwa lapha akusengiswa mahleza.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezemali uDokotela uDavid Masondo ufuna izinkampani ezimatasa ngeinhlelo zokuthuthukisa ingqalasizinda zithola imihlomulo ethile yezentela. uMasondo ubekhuluma engqungqutheleni iAfrican Markets ebanjelwe eStellenbosch eWestern Cape.
Urhulumente ukwiphulo lokwenza uluhlu lenkqubo zeziseko ezingundoqo ngelokuqinisekisa ezinkqubo zifumana inkxaso-mali kubatyali-mali. Uthi abatyali-mali mabafumane izibonelelo zerhafu.
For us to get capital to flow our way, let's not make it difficult, particularly ourselves as government. Let's set up the right incentives for business to come or to be retained, not just to come, because we also have businesses here on the continent. Let's just make sure that we set the right incentives.
Usekela mphathiswa uthi kukho nokunqongophala kwemali yeziseko ezingundoqo kweli lizwekazi lase-Afrika.
Debt in itself, it's not bad. The question is whether the economy can afford it. Because if the debt is unsustainable, it raises the sovereign risk premium, and that raises the cost of capital not only to bonds, but also to equity.
Kusenjalo enye ingcali yezoqoqosho ithi urhulumente makathethathethane neMelika ngaxeshanye ejonge nakwezinye imarike.
Africa must continue to bear in mind, and South Africa along with that 7 of the 10 fastest growing trade corridors around the world actually exclude the United States.
Upalemu uthi amazwe elizwekazi lase-Afrika kufuneka aqinise ulawulo ukuze atsale abatyali-mali. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingubulelani Philip ndiseStellenbosch eNtshona Kapa.
Kunembiko ethi iBafana Bafana yenqatshelwe ukuyilolonga enkundleni okuzodlalelwa kuyo kusasa uma itholana phezulu neBenin emidlalweni okuhlungela indebe yomhlaba ngehora lesithupha kusasa. Umqeqeshi ke wakuleli uHugo Broos akumphethe kahle lokhu ubaluleke nanokuthi kwephulwa imithetho ebekwe yiFIFA.
Benin izosingathi Bafana Bafana Ivory Coast nokube izinhlelo engabanga lula njengoba iVory Coast izosingathi ihambe namhlanje kuyo lenkundla okuzodlala khona la kule neBenin kusasa. Lokhu kusho ukuthi la kule neBenin ngeke bekwazi ukusebenzisa lenkundla namhlanje. Cici Bafana Bafana kumphethe kabi lokhu.
This is bad when people who make the rules don't follow the rules. Will that have an influence on the game? I don't know. But I know if tomorrow after the game I'm not on the press conference that there will be a sanction. So we have to follow the rules.
Bafana Bafana ibuyele Ivory Coast nalapha yathola khona indondo yethu siko weAfcon ngoNhlolanja nyakenye. Ngakho ke ayiyexwaye le ndawo. Bafana Bafana fanele iyehlule iBenin.
It's a good team. They played only a draw Friday, so they are 2 points behind us, but you know, qualification for World Cup of Afcon in Africa are very, very difficult. You never can tell before a game you will win it.
Na yone eqhwakele eqoqweni uC ngamaphuzu ayishumi ishiya iBenin ngamabili amaphuzu kusezandleni zabo ukufinyelela emqhudelwaneni wendebe yomhlaba fanele beqhubeke nokulwela imiphumela abayifunayo.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela ke nomkhushulwa Msimanga emva kwekhefu.
Kwayintokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangane njengoba seseshetheka yaqhubeka amathuba amakhulu emvula kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni lapha eFreystata ebusuku namhlanje ongena ke eEastern Cape kanti ngahamba ngane futhi mongena ke enyakatho ntshonalanga neKwaZulu Natal yongena eMpumalanga kanjalo nalapha eGauteng kanjalo nasengxenyeni esentshonalanga umkhamezelo kanye umkhizo mongena ke lapha kwaNyanga oGugulethu ngasentshonalanga kanti ke masihlabela phambili siyobheka usuku lakusasa ngivumele ngithi sakhona la mkhizo ehambisana nomsingo obandayo mongena kakhulukazi engxenyeni esentshonalanga sika ngamafu mongena maphakathi neWestern Cape kanti ke aqhubeka lamathuba athanda kuba makhulu mongena lapha eEastern Cape uyongena eFreystata uyongena naseningizimu kwaZulu Natal abe makhulu kakhulu kodwa mongena eMthatha abe mancane mongena eGauteng kanjalo naseMpumalanga into engathanda ukusixaka nje singalindela ukuthi kube nenkungu mongena kakhulukazi engxenyeni ke eseMpumalanga nezo kanti ke siyaqhubeka iSouth African Weather Service ikhipha isixwayiso sesimo sezulu esingaba nomngozi mongena kakhulukazi eningizimu yeFreystata uyongena phansi lapha koGqibeka ebusuku namhlanje kanti ke masihlabela phambili siyobheka usuku lakusasa leso simo singasilindela lapha kwaZulu Natal engaseningizimu kanjalo nalapha koMthatha kube isimo nje singathanda ukuthi sibe nomoya onamandla nokuthukuthela kolwandle entshonalanga nesimo singabhebhetha umlilo mongena kakhulukazi kwezinye indawo Western Cape kanti ke masibheke ebusuku namhlanje kuyabanda lapha eCalvin ngeSutherland ngale koloko kwezinye indawo ingathanda nje ukufudumala libe phakathi kodwa ke masihlabela phambili siyobheka usuku lakusasa ngivumela ngithi lipholile lapha kuSutherland nakuCalvin kanti ke noma ungena koVustile sisapholile siyongena lapha koOthoni ingathanda nje ukuthi ke kufudumale ngamandla futhi ke mongena kakhulukazi Eastern Cape kwaZulu Natal ngisho ngokungahlonisi ukuthi ke lo beshisa likhipha umkhovetsheni kuzo zonke indawo komhlaba yalengana emsingi enkandla sisho sithi ke eFreystata liyashisa lifudumale eGauteng naseMpumalanga kuyashisa kodwa mongena ngaseMessina ngivumela ngisho ngithi ke ngiyayithatha indawo benobusuku obuhle.
Mbukeli sizibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona ngolikamagebe kusasa bazobe bekhonoza kwethu nezindaba zolwimi lwesiXhosa nibe nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.